All right, everybody, here is your core bites, number 158. So let's see what we've got on here today. For the first one, it says choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So you've got 12, 13, 120, and you've also got 144, okay? They've already given you part of it. You're dividing something by 12, okay, to get something else. And you have to use two of these numbers, okay? So if you divide 12 by 12, you're going to get 1, okay? If you divide something by 12, you're going to have a larger number here, okay? 13, can't divide 13 by 12. I can't think of anything that you would divide by 12 to give you 13. 120, 12 doesn't end in 0 or 5, okay? But I do know something about 144. I know that 12 times 12 gives us 144, okay? So if you take 144, divide it by 12, you're going to get 12, okay? So the two numbers you're going to use are 144 and 12, okay? For the next one, we are comparing and contrasting using greater than, less than, or equal to. So we have 2,407 compared to 2,047. This number is actually larger, so you'd say greater than. 242 compared to 2,042. 2,042 is greater, so that would be, this is less than. And then 304 plus 300 plus 4 is equal because those are the same thing. Okay? For the next one, multiply and simplify your answer. So you've got 3/4 times 8. So if you just put a 1 under it, so multiply across. So 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Divide 24 by 4. You get 6 with no remainder. Okay, for number 4, the sum of two congruent angles is 84. What is the measure of each angle? So congruent means they're equal, they're the same. So if you take 84 divided by 2, because two angles are equal, you would actually get 42 degrees. So 42 degrees would be your answer. And then for the last one, it says what shape is represented with this stop sign. So if you count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is an octagon. That would be 8 sides. Okay, so just check yours, make corrections, let us know if you have questions.